If you want to catch dirt as quickly as it lands, Philips' fastest cordless vacuum can lend a hand. If every day a new joy is discovered, get 360-degree suction and every angle covered. If things get messy when your kids have fun, with Philips Speed Pro Max Aqua, vacuuming and mopping is quickly done. New Philips Speed Pro Max Aqua. Vacuum and mop, fastest results. There's always a way to make life better. Philips.
Clean anywhere, anytime with the Hoover One Power Blade, Hoover's best cleaning cordless stick vacuum. It gives you the ultimate freedom and versatility you need to clean all of life's messes without being tethered by a cord. Blade's multi-surface brush roll cleans messes across hard floors, carpet, and rugs throughout your home, while the dual cyclonic dust vault system captures the dust, dirt, and pet hair with no loss of suction. And since Blade is powered by the exclusive removable, rechargeable One Power battery, simply swap and go for up to 70 minutes of powerful, fade-free cleaning. Plus, you can easily transition to handheld mode to leave no surface untouched, from the stairs to the ceiling or wherever else the dirt's hiding. And with a completely removable dirt cup, cleanup is seriously easy from start to finish. Best of all, Blade is part of the One Power system. This innovative family of high-performance cleaning tools is powered by the same One Power battery to give you continuous, whole home cleaning inside and out. Clean longer and go farther with the Hoover One Power Blade cordless stick vacuum, the powerhouse in cord-free cleaning.